I'm Dan Fernando. This is Alfa Romeo Giulia Coupe 1600 GT Junior. This has a very interesting history. It was brought down by an employee of the engineering firm Skanska when they were building dams in Sri Lanka. I think it was the Kotmale project. So this car was ordered from the factory and first went to Peru in South America, of all places. So my guess is the first owner was doing a project in Peru. From there it made its way to Sri Lanka, and then it changed hands a few times before it came to my ownership. Each panel was a different shape. There was a thick layer of alloy covering all the sins, or part of the sins. It had Japanese tail lamps. It had a incurable miss. The engine was fully worn. So basically it required a full-blown restoration, although it was running. The 105 series, both the saloon and the coupes and even the spiders, were technically very advanced for the early 1960s. For example, they had all aluminium twin-cam engines, 5-speed gearbox, and disc brakes all round, which was not heard of. I mean, it was only available in cars like Ferraris at that time. Too many trips to mention, and very difficult to single out a really good drive because all of them have been great. I've done Mahagastota at least 7-8 times in this car. I've done numerous track days. I've driven just on holiday to Nuwara. So I've been all over the place in this car. So I've done Pannala, I've done Katu. Yeah, those are the, yeah. It's a bigger undertaking than you'd first imagine. So you've got to be ready to be patient and go the distance. Many people start restoring a car, but soon they lose interest because it takes so long. So patience is the key.